y'all, welcome back to the show. It's Conrad and Andy here from Thunderbird Yachts. It's a Friday, it's a beautiful day on the water. It's just perfect for boat delivery. What we got here?
We got a 25 Grady White heading to Pender Island to its new home. And what is a glassy calm day out. Gosh, January 17th today?
I know, right?
Can't think of a better thing to do on a January day. And
Friday.
here we are on a Friday. We're gonna be in Pender Island probably in an hour and change, hour and a half, and catch a flight home on a float plane and be home for dinner later.